Bal Gopal.
Hare Krishna. Welcome back to Bal Gopal channel. I'm Radhika. This is my little sister
Krishna Priya.
and this is our cute Nandu. Today we are going to be making Dahin Waale Aalu, and we are making this for 40 people. Yes, 40 people. 40 people. Yes. Can you believe it? I don't think you can. So, हमें चाहिए होगा इस रेसिपी के लिए 2 किलो दही,
Nandu's favorite thing.
धनिया, भुट्टे के दाने, शिमला मिर्च, ये बॉइल्ड आलू है छोटे साइजेस में. ये सब्जी साइज के हैं जो आप खा सकते हो. ये है नमक. We will need Himalayan salt. We will need हींग.
मुझे भूख लगी है.
This is हल्दी पाउडर, जीरा, कसूरी मेथी, and
कश्मीर की मिर्ची.
yes. So let's start because we are having an evening program and 40 people are about to come. So we better cook quick. So we will see you in seconds. Hare Krishna. We are back for some cooking. So what we have done so far? We have our potatoes. We have added yogurt and coriander and hing into this, and we are marinating this for 10 to 15 minutes so that all the flavor goes in. Normally people use coriander as a garnishing on top. That is wrong. We can also do that, but coriander has such a beautiful flavor. Why don't we put it inside too? Isn't that a good idea?
Yes, and that might make a little bit more yummy.
And that was Nandu's idea. So we are going to cheer for Nandu at the end. Yay! Thank you, Nandu.
And Nandu is never ever wrong because he is also Bal Gopal.
Yes. So over here we have a clarified butter melting over here, which is also called ghee. So we have that over here.
What does clarified mean?
Okay. Now I'm going to, this was on a high flame to get it melted. Now I'm going to put it down to a medium flame. Okay. Now we are going to be adding our jeera.
Now the sound is starting to come really nicely. It means that it's starting to cook, right?
Yes. And look at it. Looks very nice. Look at it.
Must.
Wow. And it smells so nice.
I must eat this.
After the bhoga.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Now we are going to be adding mirch. Kashmiri mirch.
Can you just make sure you don't put it in your eyes, otherwise it's going to hurt a lot.
This is not too spicy. This is more of flavor.
Really?
So what we do is we take the top off like this. We break it off.
Just be careful you don't.
And then we break it into 3-4 pieces. चलो हमें अब कश्मीरी मिर्च बस डल गई.
इसका मतलब है सब्जी भी बनने वाली है.
और मैं इसको हिलाऊंगी थोड़ा सा. Remember, this needs to be done in adult supervision.
Otherwise you might burn your hand or finger. So you must be careful.
It's extremely precaution.
And if you don't have a parent, you can always use a Krishna doll.
That's not true. Okay. Now I'm going to add some hing. Oh, that looks like it's bubbling inside. And we are going to add our haldi. Wow, that looks very nice.
I won't let anyone eat it. Me and Nandu are going to eat all of that.
Don't forget me.
Oh no, I am too hungry. I want
अब हम इसको थोड़ा सा हिलाएंगे. आप ऑयल भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो. Vegetable oil, sunflower oil, olive oil. अब हम डालेंगे कसूरी मेथी.
Yum, yum, yummy.
Now we're going to stir that so that it doesn't burn. अब हम बस आलू डालने वाले हैं जो हमने मैरिनेट करे थे. अब कम से कम 10 से 15 मिनट हो गए. अब हम इसको अंदर डालेंगे. अब ये बहुत फड़फड़ाएगा और हमें इसको जल्दी हिलाना है ताकि ये फट ना जाए आलू. हरे कृष्णा. देखो हम इसको कैसे हिला रहे हैं. हम सब स्पाइसेस को हिलाएंगे इसके अंदर और हम इसको 7 से 8 मिनट के लिए लो फ्लेम पर रख देंगे. अब यहाँ पर हम अपने वेजिटेबल्स को थोड़ा सा स्टर फ्राई करेंगे. उसके लिए मैंने लिया है थोड़ा सा क्लैरिफाइड बटर घी. हमने ये भी लिया so that we don't burn our skin. अब हम लेंगे थोड़ी सी हींग. This is per taste. You can add as much as you like. ये देखो कैसे हो रहा है. थोड़ा सा मिक्स. अब हम थोड़ा सा लेंगे कोरिएंडर पाउडर. हमने थोड़ा सा कोरिएंडर पाउडर अपने आलू में भी डाल दिया था. देखो कैसे बबल्स आ रहे हैं इसके ऊपर. अब हम इसको हिलाएंगे. We need to do this in adult supervision. अब हम इसके अंदर डालेंगे कॉर्न. और हम डालेंगे अपनी शिमला मिर्च. It can be any color you like for the crunch in our aloo. Now I will mix this in. इसको अच्छे से हम मिक्स करेंगे मीडियम फ्लेम पर 1 मिनट के लिए. इसमें हम थोड़ा सा नमक डालेंगे. ज़्यादा नहीं डालेंगे क्योंकि हमने ऑलरेडी आलू में डाल दिया. And we are using Himalayan pink salt because my favorite color is pink. थोड़ी देर तक मिक्स करके और हम इसको सौटे करने के लिए रख देंगे 5 मिनट के लिए, so that we need to make sure कि ये इसमें थोड़ा सा क्रंच रहे और थोड़ा सा सॉफ्ट भी हो जाए। Hare Krishna, we are back.
Nandu wanted to know what's happening.
So over here we have our corn and capsicum frying over here. We will turn that off.
And what's that in there?
That is our aloo.
Wow.
देखो हमारा आलू थोड़ा सा वो है impatient shouting.
I think me and Nandu also gonna shout. We're feeling
अच्छा
very
इसका फ्लेम ऑफ कर देंगे for the safer side. अब हम इसके अंदर डालेंगे
good. Very good.
अपना vegetables.
I give you 2000 thumbs up. But just don't forget it's all for me and Nandu.
Oh, that looks nice.
It looks yummy too.
Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it. Wow, looks very yummy.
Look. Yummy. Delicious.
Oh, we better be quick. Our guests are going to be arriving soon.
No, there are only 2 more minutes. We need to go quickly because my tummy is also going to burst.
देखो हम इसको मिक्स कर रहे हैं हमारी क्रंची कॉर्न, हमारा यमी कैप्सिकम, our smooth potatoes and our yellow sabji. Looks so nice. See, doesn't this look very nice to you?
Perfect.
This is almost ready.
And it looks delicious. Just
We will add some salt.
pink salt, right? Because it's my and Radhika's favorite color, especially Nandu's.
Now we will mix that in. Hare Krishna. This is our Hare Krishna community Toowoomba family.
How did you like the Waale Aalu?
Delicious!
You're making me hungry.
We want more!
I hope you guys like it too. So don't forget to try out the recipe. Hare Krishna. Bye bye.
Hare Krishna, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon. If you would love to help contribute to our next project, you can donate by clicking this button. So keep on watching more videos to have super blissful life. Stay tuned.